How to find your MGM Resorts reservation with confirmation number and last name. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, MGM Rewards page. After you're in the page, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Find Reservation and Check In at the top. After you've clicked on Find Reservation and Check In at the top, it will lead you to this page. Here, scroll down and click on Reservation Type, and then your confirmation number, then first name and your last name. Press on Search Reservation. After you've pressed on Search Reservation, you'll find all the reservations from your first or last name, or if you've added your confirmation number, you'll find your reservation here. And this is how to find your MGM Resorts reservation with confirmation number and last name. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.